Ceiling fans are a blessing during scorching summers, but with time, they accumulate dust that can be a challenge to clean without creating a mess. Fear not, with a few simple steps and the right tools, you can keep your ceiling fan blades sparkling clean without spreading dust throughout the room. Step 1. Gather your tools. Before you start, gather the necessary tools to minimize dust dispersion. You'll need a sturdy ladder, a microfiber cloth or an old pillowcase, a dusting spray or a homemade solution of water and vinegar, and a garbage bag. Step 2. Turn off the fan. Ensure the fan is turned off before attempting to clean it. This prevents any accidental injuries and also stops the blades from spreading dust while you clean. Step 3. Cover the blades. To trap the dust and prevent it from falling onto the floor or furniture, cover each blade with a microfiber cloth or an old pillowcase. Secure it tightly around the blade and gently slide it off, trapping the dust inside. Step 4. Dusting spray or homemade solution. Spray the microfiber cloth with a dusting spray or a mixture of water and vinegar. This will help break down and capture the dust more effectively. Ensure the cloth is damp, not wet, to prevent any drips. Step 5. Wipe down the blades. Carefully wipe down each blade, starting from the base and moving towards the tip. Take your time to ensure thorough cleaning. If using a homemade solution, make sure to dry the blades with a clean, dry cloth afterward. Step 6. Dispose of the dust. Once you've cleaned all the blades, carefully remove the coverings, trapping the dust inside. Dispose of the dust in a garbage bag to prevent it from spreading. Step 7. Clean the fan housing. Don't forget to clean the fan housing and any other visible parts. Use a damp cloth to wipe away dust and dirt. For hard-to-reach areas, consider using a vacuum cleaner with a nozzle attachment. Cleaning your ceiling fan without spreading dust everywhere is a manageable task with the right approach. By gathering the appropriate tools, covering the blades, and using a dusting spray or homemade solution, you can maintain a dust-free environment while enjoying the benefits of a clean and efficient ceiling fan. Regular cleaning not only keeps your fan looking brand new, but also ensures optimal performance. So say goodbye to dusty messes and hello to a spotless, refreshing breeze. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.